Alright, so I'm working on leveling out the trunk lid. It's kind of just off. Basically what I'm doing is I already cut the back of the I already cut the back of the trunk lid, sliced in a couple spots so it relieves the pressure, and I can kind of bend this to how I want it so it's level. Basically all I'm doing is using some screwdrivers, prying it up, getting it level, and then welding on these braces. Once I get it all perfect, I'll go back up in there from the inside, and I will weld the cuts that I made and reinforce it so it don't move. Still gotta finish this part up right here. Coming along now. Alright, so it's almost 4 o'clock. I'm pretty tired. I've been working on the trunk lid here, like I showed you guys. Got that all lined up. Basically, on the inside of the trunk, I had cut some, you can't really see them now, but I cut some notches, or some, whatever you want to call them, like slits and stuff, so that I could tweak it, tweak the trunk on the outside to make it all line up. Basically all I did was tack those back together, and I added all this bracing in here. I'm not done yet. I still gotta add a couple more. It's kind of overkill, but I really don't want this thing to flex on me and lose its shape again, especially after it's painted. Yep, so that'll be pretty goddamn strong. I used like 1/8 inch round bar. It was really time consuming and kind of probably too much, but it'll be strong. It'll never warp again, hopefully. Alright, so I got all the bracing done on the inside of the trunk here. You can't really see in there, but got all the bracing done. Now I'm going to cut off all these tabs that held it flush while I was bracing. Good enough to where the body man can get it where he needs it, with either Duraglass or Bondo or prying on it a little bit, whatever.